It's like soured. Heck yeah.
Been leaking?
Oh, I guess. Look,
Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are at Jared's shop, Smitty's Rod Shop, here in Horatio, Arkansas. We've been waiting on some stuff to show up, some extended brake lines, some drive shafts, fender flares, and Wolf style steel wheels. So join us for part 2 of this Range Rover Classic build.
I guess they are. They don't come all the way out. Normally, I guess they'd be about right there.
Yeah. That's got a good.
It's all like a mouth. We're still sitting down.
Extended brake lines are in from Lucky 8. Nice stainless steel. I'm gonna do brake lines, but it's a no-go because this chassis is a 91 and we got brake lines for a 92 to a 95. What year model is it anyway?
92.
Oh no, I couldn't remember.
92.
Alright, the body lift has commenced, and check that out right there. got the drill free, but It's underneath,
This black thing's got to come off.
and it's all attached
Hell yeah.
to your
I got your grill here.
this. If this came off, we could get it just fall out right now because it's ready to fall.
Tab in.
How's this?
It's all connected. It cups underneath.
How's this motherfucker here connected?
Now, if this wasn't in the way,
Good God, the fucking bolts connected.
you're gonna take that grill guard off anyway, aren't you?
Yes. So you hear it to the wall of the truck.
Every time.
Right here.
Just put your little wall on it.
And we ran into a little issue here, so we think we might have freed up enough room. This hideous brush guard on the front is blocking the ability to turn one of these body mount bolts out. So we'll get this this contraction right here on this dude has got an extension on a wobble. There you go. So we're gonna try to get that done.
Hold on. I think it fell off. Feel like it just every time. Other than
Hell.
screw that. Oh, it's screw. I thought it was a slip through.
Let's go.
It ain't doing it.
Yeah, go.
Pull on it.
I think it just came out.
I pushed it up.
Still have like gravity.
So we just decided to remove the headlight bezels and determined that the grill would come out.
It's all these pines. It's this piece of wood right here. It's a piece of wood.
It's coming out? Yeah.
Look at that guard on the inside.
We did. You didn't know
Look
what.
at that guard right there.
Look at dog mesh. That's something where it don't need to get fucking broken.
All right,
What is
right
this?
here.
What is this just chilling here? What is this?
The horn.
You sure this thing wasn't owned by Pablo Escobar?
It had to.
Some sort of tracker.
Oh my god.
Looks like a Lego.
It's a Lego.
It's a big Lego.
God, buddy. God, buddy.
Got wires running through it.
Thank
The
you.
black box. Look at that X pattern on the.
All right.
Alright. Ready to tilt it?
No, you ain't got that back out over there.
We got one in the middle too, right?
We got the middle mount,
The middle.
middle motor body.
In the middle? Are you serious?
It's connected to the transmission.
Ready?
Oh, we keep crawling that. It's not done.
Yeah, it's like, let's get second.
Get it.
Ready?
Hold on, you gonna hit it? Hold on. Gotta hit it before we quit.
Ready?
Oh. No, I ain't ready. Somebody's been into this thing.
One.
This says like 15. I'm messing with it. Going with it. Slow down. Need that. We're good. We're good. It's good high quality snap-on tools.
Sticker of a flat pack.
know why Gerald didn't just get that thing manufactured like himself. They could have built like 1,000 of them, started marketing themselves.
Look at that.
Hey, we need them other mounts. They gotta go on the top. You gotta have the top ones. And then the spacer goes right here.
Right, but you gotta get the whole side of it.
I bet I could lift this motherfucker up.
You got all these steel.
Huh?
You already done all of those?
No.
How are we gonna put that in there?
You don't think we lift up the front? And then do the back?
No.
I did. Don't have to come all the way off, but I'd at least I'd loosen them.
I need some shots.
Hey, 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 hey.
What you doing with all the cushions? Oh, that's over. I guess you go ahead and drop the nut for the bolt. What you do with the washer?
All right, let's compare these.
Oh yeah. That was not bad. Good. Okay. But where's the bottom one at?
You ain't got it out yet.
On the other side?
Bottom's on still sandwiched between the frame and
Oh yeah,
That's good.
Hey, when I hit that,
Not really. Hang on.
I mean, my arm can only sit back here, so I know it's wedged. You gotta switch. Yeah.
Sorry.
But it's Eagle say, what's up, cuz?
Jackson Land Rover dealership, Jacksonville.
This guy, he doesn't have a clue what he's trying to talk about. He's mad. He's so pissed right now.
I really am concerned with these Legos.
Well, you know.
I don't understand. That's apparently that's some sort of relay. It's probably a relay for the off-road lights.
Relay for the off-road bumper.
Yeah. Come on, man, get that sawzall out. Let's go. Let's cut something. Get it nice and loose.
Right here.
Oh, there's an access point.
How many more?
Oh, 6.
Oh, it fell fucking apart.
What happened? Oh no. Is it safe to run with 3 lug nuts?
I don't know how you get to it.
I mean, one man's safe is another guy's, you know.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I don't know how you get to it.
What's your torque sequence on a half moon set of lug nuts?
Tight.
Testing, 1, 2, test, 1, 2.
It's like soured. Heck yeah.
Been leaking?
Oh, I guess. Look. The paints. I think you gotta take. How do you get? See, it's got like a little cover.
Watch out.
Come on, body guy.
I'll get this bitch.
Oh my god. We're gonna have to get that fixed. Can't have a leaking. No.
Hey, got a piece of metal right here. We can just I mean, with the amount of water that you got in that floorboard, I'm sure it's got a rusty floor pan there.
It's overrated.
I mean, when it breaks down the first time, you're gonna have to be Fred Flintstoning it anyway.
Already got a patch fail after a middle. Got it?
Yeah, what just happened? Huh?
What do you mean?
Alright, what just happened?
Shove it up. Push it up. Push it up. How do you get the top mount there?
Do what?
I wonder if we can take this Bristol and add some stuff to it. I've got it. Wait for leg. Damn. Non-trusted.
Oh no, you couldn't use those. Those at one point in time were rubber coated.
Alright.
I can guarantee you.